What's up guys, it's Devin from Neptune Design here, and today I want to explain something in Google Analytics. It seems to me like some people might be stuck on this, and that's why I thought let me just make a quick video just to explain the difference between the two. Okay, so I've got users here and I've got sessions over here. Now, what counts as a user and what counts as a session? Okay, so if you go to users, a user is counted every time somebody visits your website for the very first time. We count that person as a new user. There are some differentiating factors as well. If that same person has cleared their cookies, then that person will count as another user once again. Or if they're accessing your website from a different device, then that will count them as a new user as well. But for all intents and purposes, users would be when somebody comes to your website for the first time or a single visit from the user. And sessions would be how long they visited your website. So you could have one user who's maybe visited your website 10 times. That would be one user with 10 sessions. So from most of the website data that I've seen, your sessions will never be lower than your user. But there could be some bizarre instance when that happens. But usually your sessions will always be higher than your user. Okay. Now, what counts as a session? A session is basically the duration that the person was active on your website for. And if that person remains inactive for longer than 30 minutes, then Google Analytics will end that session. So for example, if I go on to your website and I leave my notebook and I go out to a lunch break for 2 hours, then Google Analytics will end that session. And then when I become active again on your website, that will count as a new session. So I thought I'd just explain that to you guys, just to help somebody out there who's maybe struggling to see the difference between the two. So users is every time somebody comes to your website, that would be a user, a new person comes to your website. And then sessions would be that same person repeating or continuing activity with your website. Now, there are a lot of cool menus in Google Analytics. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I still want to explain and still want to make a whole bunch of videos on. So anybody who wants to more explanation or wants to see more of these types of videos, let me know what you want me to explain next. I was thinking about maybe doing a video explaining bounce rate in Google Analytics. And also, I've released a book on how to save money on your online ads. So if you're interested in that, or if you want to support the channel, or if you want to hire us, check out the links below in the description. Thank you so much for your time. Have an awesome day, and thank you for watching this video.